Hi you guys, it's Unique When You Travels.tv, and this is my new house, or we'll say apartment video. I just moved this past Saturday, so this is a new place. I try to go slow. Kitchen area. Guest bedroom and bathroom. Lots of closet space. Guest bathroom. Still here in Pretoria, South Africa, literally right around the corner from my old house that I lived in for almost a year. Moved in last August when I moved here. Master bedroom. Lots and lots of closet space, which is good because I have lots of stuff. Master bathroom. And patio. Actually really big. This is a braai, aka a barbecue for all my Americans. So it's a built-in barbecue pit, but they call it braais here, but same difference. And this is it. This is UniqueNewTimes.tv, and this is my new house here in Pretoria, South Africa.